Hi everyone, welcome to .NET Master. So guys, I'm super exciting to announce we are conducting a hands-on workshop, you know hands-on project workshop for you students. Okay, so I'm getting lots of inquiries from the students. They are in the final year, they are going for the placements, but they don't have some practical kind of projects, and they don't have a practical kind of experience in the project. Okay, so in this workshop, I'm going to be explaining you about the project end to end. What is the architecture, what is functionality, what is technical things are there. Okay, so all these things I'm going to be explain you within the 2 hours. Okay, you can pick up any one project, you can select any project. Okay, so like we have right now we have listed only three projects. One is the build AI college frequently asked for chatbot. So chatbots are very very useful, as you know that it is a very hot topic right now in so it's very good for when you go for the explain about your project in the placements and real time. It's a very simple project, and still you are using the AI machine learning. So how the basic idea you will get in the project. Okay, and the expense tracker, web applications, this is also one of the good project. Okay, so I'm not saying that these three projects are super good project, but it's okay to explain in when you go for the placements, when you go for the campus selections. Okay, so guys, we are conducting this workshop 17th October to 20th October. Okay, in this duration. So you just register yourself, and we are charging very minimal amount. So don't worry about the price and all. And it's a live workshop, guys. Live sessions it's going to be conducted, and so it's very very useful for the students who are in the final year and completed the graduate also completed, but they want some practical knowledge, and they want to be put the projects in the resumes. Okay, so these all these things are going to be help you out. Okay, so if anybody interested to be join this workshop, please register now. So if anybody interested, please DM us .NET Master in LinkedIn and Instagram. Just message. Okay, just message it. We'll send you the actual registration link. Okay, so that's it, guys. I want to be see you in the workshop. Okay, so thank you very much.